Before we begin, if you are new to this channel, click subscribe for you to receive updates about jazz tech videos. Hit like below and share this video to your friends and family. If you don't, this terrifying creature will knock on your door tonight.
I'm doing it now.
Hello guys, good morning. Today I'm going to show you how you can monitor your laptop or desktop computer by using your smartphone. The only requirement in order for you to monitor those devices is you have to make sure that your laptop or desktop computer is connected to your Wi-Fi. Yep, that's it. You should have internet connection in order for you to monitor those devices. And of course, that includes your smartphone. Yep, let's cut to the chase and let's see how you can do it. You have to open any browser like Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Safari, Microsoft Edge. And then make sure that you're logged into your Google account in order for your laptop or your phone to be, to sync in. And then I already have a Google Chrome here, so I just need to search for Chrome Remote Desktop or Desktop Remote. So there it is. So I just need to click enter here. Okay, there it is. As you can see, I already click it because I already had this one earlier, but I just uninstalled it for you. So let's click that one. And then mostly you are not seeing the screen because it will as a first time installer for this application or for this access or this kind of platform, whatever, it will tell you that you should add extension for this Chrome Remote Desktop. But since I already had an extension for this one, it will allow me to access my computer, or it will show me this kind of page. Then I just need to click access my computer. Then there it is, setup remote access. And yep, I really want to control my laptop anywhere and anytime, so I have to click this on. And there it is, I can name my computer. So I just want to leave it like this. Click next. And I have to set a pin in order for me to access this computer. So in other words, if I will control this laptop using my smartphone, whenever I try to access this one, it will ask for my pin, or what you can call the password, in order for me to control it. So let me put that in. Then we enter my pin. There it is. Then click start. Okay. And again, make sure that you're logged into your Google, to your Google account. Click yes. Okay, there it is. I already set up a remote access for this laptop. So as you can see, my Google account is already logged in. So it recognized that this is already syncing into my Google account. So it says online already because my laptop is connected to the Wi-Fi. Now the only things left is my smartphone. I have to install the application on my smartphone. So I have to go and search for Chrome Desktop Remote or Chrome Remote Desktop. There it is. Then click install. Okay. Now it's trying to install. Hit open. Okay, there it is. As you can see guys, it's no longer telling me that I have to sign in and so on because I already logged into my Google account. If your Google account is already logged in, it will automatically sync in to your application. So as you can see, my laptop name is there, so it's saying online, of course. And make sure that your phone is connected to your Wi-Fi or to the internet so that you will be able to control the laptop. And let me give it a try. Click laptop. Okay, it's trying to load, right? It's trying to load. Now it's asking for my pin. As what you saw earlier, it was asking me to put my pin or set up my pin in order for me to control that laptop. So this is what is happening right now. I have to put my pin. Okay, so click remember my pin on this device so that it will not ask me again for the pin whenever I try to access or control my laptop. There it is. And I look at the arrow. I'm trying to control the arrow or the screen of my laptop, and as you can see on my laptop, it's responding. See? And what if I don't like to have an arrow, because it's very annoying? What if I just want to, to freely control it without this arrow? Because it's very annoying, I cannot control it freely as I want. Well, you have an option right there at the very top. Do you see that finger button or finger icon at the top right? You just need to click that one and you will have an option here to configure the touch input. And since you don't like an arrow controlling input or something like that, whatever you call it, you need to select this one or this one. But I prefer this one because in zooming in, usually we are using 2 fingers, right? So I have to click this one. So as you can see, there is no arrow, as if I'm controlling a mouse on my smartphone. So it's no longer showing there, correct? So right now I'm using my 2 fingers to zoom the screen. Okay, so let's give it a try. Let's control the whole screen by using my smartphone. Yep, the first thing that you need to do is like if you're having a hard time to control it freely like this, so you just need to zoom it, then hit X out. So what if I just want to close the browser? So zoom it and then press the X button. There it is. So as you can see, it is showing now my main screen on the laptop. There it is. And then if I would like to open the browser again, so I can do it here. See, so I can see everything on the screen and my laptop is responding well.